Hey guys, I didn't realize you couldn't see. Here, let me grab my lamp. There we go. Yeah, guys, it's, let's see, what time is it? 1 o'clock? That's not, when I got up and I looked at my phone, it was 12:58. So, yeah, 1 o'clock by now. And this little boy of mine is whistling. You never whistle at night. Silly, silly birdie. There you go. I know you like that. You need to get to bed. So, guys, it's almost Christmas Eve. Actually, wait a second. It would be Christmas Eve. Guys, if it's 1 o'clock in the morning, does that count as Christmas Eve? Well, my time, but it does, actually. So, guys, Merry Christmas. Oh, God. Keep forgetting I need the lighter here. Merry Christmas Eve, I guess. Christmas is tomorrow, so I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Unless you celebrate Hanukkah, then happy Hanukkah. But, these two troublemakers are whistling at night. You can't be doing that. You can't be doing that, you know? You know that? You know that? Yeah? Thank you, boy. She's already fallen back to sleep. Here. Just got my lamp. Well, guys, guess that's it. Well, good night, I guess, if you're watching this tonight. I'll post it the same night that I recorded this, I guess. So, good night, guys, if you're watching this, and Merry Christmas Eve, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas. And you need to get to bed, mister. And this is wherever the heck you are on my screen. She's like there, I think. Let's see. There she is. Well, Merry Christmas Eve, and good night.